remote control car. So let's look what's on this. Let's look and see what are the first source.
Yeah.
What do we have to say when 27 what?
Megahertz.
So this is the 27 megahertz, and this is the 49 megahertz. So if one is 49 megahertz, and if one is 27 megahertz, then they'll probably race together. So that's what we're going to do. This one is very cool. This one is number 25. They need both of them need 5 AA batteries, but batteries not included.
Want to unbox them?
What?
A box? Unbox them?
Yes. So let's open them and see what's inside. And again, it's showing you how to put it together. And it's showing you it also needs AA batteries in the control, in the car too. I think you would start opening it on the bottom. Might be easier with scissors. Like again, really cool car on the green and on the green and black. Like again, 25 on the hood, number 25.
What kind of car is it? Huh?
This car is a Dodge Viper. Are you making it at tweezers, Dad? It looks like tweezers. Like again here says Speed King. Like again here says Speed King. Right here it says Speed King. So here is the car. Here is the Dodge Viper with the remote control. Nice car. But we have to pull this off and untable them because this is stuck here. This has an antenna. What's this, Dad?
Antenna. It's an antenna for the controller.
Really?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
my red car didn't have that.
Yeah, it did.
My red car didn't have that.
It had a silver in-
antenna and it has a remote control.
It had a silver-
My red card didn't have
It had a silver one.
No, my red card didn't.
Oh, the
have
card didn't have it. The controller. You're right. You're
The
right.
controller has. Hey, the controller has this too.
Yeah, it's got an antenna.
Why do they both have antenna?
Well, it's like a radio station.
Yeah, we're the radio studio.
Yeah, it's kind of like a radio studio. How are we going to get the car out there, Sue?
We have to unbolt these.
Do we need a screwdriver?
Yes, we have to tie these to get it out.
Yeah, let's see if we need a
I'll
screwdriver.
be right back.
Right back. Right back. Any second.
Are you guys still making a movie?
We are.
Are you paused?
Nope.
Ow.
You okay?
Uh-huh.
What happened?
I just hit this with the screwdriver.
Okay, I want you to pay attention when you carry a screwdriver and hold it.
Hold the points down,
Okay,
hon.
I
Just
found
like that,
a
Tatcha.
Screwdriver.
Sebastian.
I found two kinds of screwdrivers.
Okay. Do you have the right kind for that? For this here?
We might have to change the this thing. So you open this up and you
Yep.
change this.
Yeah.
Oh,
At the bottom. Very bottom.
yeah.
Yeah, very bottom. Pull that part. There you go.
And here are all the
Yeah.
kind of screws you can use.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one is the perfect one, Dad?
Let me guess. Let me see. How about this
You know,
one?
baby, mom's trying to speak for that.
And here's another one. Here's another one that has a. Here is another one that has a screw. Here's another one that has a screwdriver.
Try this one, hon.
Here's another one that has a screwdriver, and I think this one will work.
Yeah, I'm hoping that's the right size. It might be too small, but I'm hoping it's...
Which way is tight? No. Which way is loose?
Yeah, which way's loose?
This way?
To your left.
This way?
The top goes to the left.
This way?
No, that's the top going to the right. That way. That way. That's loose. Is it coming out? Can you see it coming out? Let's try more.
Which way?
The same way you're going. That was the right way. I'm just asking if you see it coming out yet.
This way?
Yep.
This way?
Yes, that way. Okay.
I think this is it. This is the right way.
Oh, good, good. Yep.
There it is.
That was the right way. Oh, there's one more there, hon. There's another one. There's another screw in the bottom.
Yep. So this half of it is open and half of it is not open. So you have to screw this one to get it complete open.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like when you switch these things,
Yeah.
it won't really fit. So
Yeah.
you have to find the perfect size.
Yeah, it's true. You gotta find the size to match the screw.
Which way? This way.
Okay.
Keep screwing it this way until it's locked.
Yeah.
Until you can hand it by your finger until
Yeah.
it comes out.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
See, it's coming out. See, it's coming out.
Oh, that's good.
See, it's coming out.
Yeah, it is coming out, hon. Do you want to finish that?
I want you to see it's coming out.
Oh, yes. Show the audience here. Yep, it's coming out.
And here's the car.
Yep, here's the car.
Still half of it is open. Which way? This way? This way.
Top goes to your left. Yep. 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 That's good. That's good. Should be coming out any day now. There it is. Up.
Here figured
Oh, there it is.
all out.
Yay!
Let's look at it
Woo-hoo!
one by one.
Okay, let's look at all the pieces. Yeah, it's got a split. What, do you want to describe the features?
It looks like a jaguar or something.
I thought it was a Dodge Viper.
Well, it looks like a jaguar.
Oh, you think it looks like a Jaguar? Does it have a spoiler? Does it have a
Yes,
spoiler? Yeah,
it
it's
does
got a
have a spoiler.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
So that's the, here is the antenna, so it can go.
Yeah, yeah.
Here is the wheels, and the design is nice. Okay. But we do need batteries.
We do need batteries, yes.
So, is there batteries in here?
I don't think so.
Let's try to put. Let's try. No. How to get the remote control out? Is there batteries?
No, I don't think so. I think you have to get them in the drawer, hon.
Let's see if there's
Do
batteries.
you want me to drop this off at Starbucks, honey?
If you want to do that, sure.
I'll let you know some other cars.
No, I don't know.
Which way is loose? Which way is this?
Which way?
No, all we gotta get out is the remote controller,
Yeah. Okay.
and you can move this to change the car where you want it to go. And it has the antenna exactly to make the car go.
Do you need the screwdriver to get that out, hon? Or does it some?
Which, I don't
Maybe
know
turn
which
it.
way it's like.
Oh,
Here
there you
it
go.
is.
I think that did it.
Here is it. This, I think this car actually, where was that, where's the car? You staying on it then? Okay, let's see if it works.
I wanted to tell you
No,
that
it
the chair.
definitely needs
Throwing chair.
batteries. So let's see if these systems.
Almost ran it actually. Are you filming?
Let's see. Oh, it's hard to put this in. Okay. Which way? This way?
Right.
Like again, 3, 5. Like again, like again, like again, how, like again, 5 AA batteries. We do have plenty of AA
Okay.
batteries.
Get 5 AA batteries, hon.
Yeah,
you know where they are?
We have to put 3 AA batteries in here and 2 more in here.
Okay.
So 3 and 2 makes
Do you know where the AA batteries are, hon?
okay, AA batteries have to be where the command strips are.
Yes, yes, where the command strips are. Oh.
I don't know which batteries.
Okay. Well, I tell you, why don't you film your cars?
Where are my cars?
Well, you film them right here.
What's film?
Well, that means you take the video for now while Dad gets the batteries. Okay? Okay. You do the camera. Okay. Here, show your cars. You can show the tops and the bottoms and all that kind of stuff.
Here are the batteries. We're gonna put 3 in. So this must go on this spring.
No,
The
remember.
bump has to go on spring.
No, the flat part goes against the spring, but you push against the spring first.
Push against
No,
the
that's
spring.
wrong. The spring end goes in first, like that.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. This one. Yep. Okay, flat end, flat end against the spring. Flat end, no, flat end against the spring. There you go. Push it in. Great. Yeah, perfect.
So keep like again.
Yep,
keep
flat end.
Like again, keep switching sides.
Exactly. You switch directions. Flat end against the spring. That end goes in first. Okay. Okay, that's good. Good.
Now we have to put batteries in here.
Now, here, turn this. Let's fix this first. I don't think it goes that way, huh? Try another way.
This call is, it says, made the bases. The bases made in China. The base is made in China.
No, I think the whole car's made in China.
Yes, I think it is.
There we go. Okay.
But I just want to let you know. I just want to let you know.
What, Sebastian? Dad is holding one of.
I just want to tell them the others.
It's not going to work. You
No,
need.
I'm gonna warn them that.
Okay.
When you run these forward, when you move these, it does not go because we have to put the batteries in the remote control.
Okay. Good comment, huh? Good comment.
And like again, we need 2 batteries for the remote control. And then when this car has all the batteries and the remote control of the batteries, we'll move on to the next one and we'll have a race. Like again, this orange car looks a little similar than, it looks similar than this, that black disc, and it has scrambled discs, and it's all orange, but it don't have the, and it does have the, but it don't have the spoiler. But it does have wheels, but it doesn't have silver wheels. Then I'm gonna do something. Since I want you to aim it at this car. Dad, I want you to aim it at this car, Dad. Since this car does not need a remote control. All you need to do with this car is pull it back in there, and it will go. So watch. You pull it back. And I'm gonna do that. Now when you pull it back, and it'll go. So that's more easier to get the car going. Okay. Now, don't control it, Dad. Don't control it, okay? I want you to control it.
Not. Sebastian, first of all, you have to ask nicely.
Can I please not control?
That's what I can always say. Okay. Here, take pictures of what Dad's doing.
Since when you move these, the car will go, but I'm not going to do that. Since we got a new one, King Speed. This car has a
Fine.
function.
We don't have time to do 2 in one video. We're already a 20-minute video.
20 minutes.
It's already 20
I
minutes.
thought it was 11.
No, it's 1,200. It's
I wanna
1,200
get this
seconds.
out.
It's 1,200 seconds, hon. That's 20 minutes. I think we should make this in 2 videos.
What?
We make this in 2 videos.
I want to get this out and then.
Hon, it's gonna take another 20 minutes, hon. We can't just keep filming this forever.
What is filming? we'll just have a race.
On the next video.
No, we'll have a race.
We'll have a race on the
Open
next.
this package.
It's gonna take another 10 minutes. Okay,
Another 10 minutes.
hon. Okay, try to open it.
Okay. Right against this king's speed.
What time is it, Mom? What time is it, Mom?
7:19.
Okay, you still have a few more minutes, hon, before your bedtime. And tomorrow's a school day. Gonna go to Montessori, be there bright and early.
Go. Oh.
Here.
Here are the nice backgrounds of a wheel.
And there's another one you gotta take off. Hon. Yep, there you go.
That would be to get the car out. And now we're going to go down the Okay. Here it is. Put the batteries in it. Again, when you control this, it'll go. Okay. Where? Okay. This has 5. This car needs 5. Again, it needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This car needs 5
It needs
AA batteries.
it needs 2 plus 3 AA batteries. How many is that?
5.
5.
Okay. Here is the this is how fast you want your car to go. Hold these. Do this to switch so the car can turn.
Hon, you take pictures. I'm gonna get some more batteries. Hon, Sebastian, Dad's asking you a favor so he can get batteries to finish this project.
What?
You film. Okay? You take the video. Talk about the car if you want.
The car looks amazing. It really does have a spoiler and grating. It has an antenna. And these will be really cool cars. Since I'm gonna do another video, that's gonna be a slot car one. Here are the lights. The lights are on the hood. again, the car is from. Again, the box on it says Speed King, and it shows you the miles per hour. And here's the closer look at the green car. Very cool. You see the 25. Put it really close to see the 25. And here is the cars. Really cool car. Here are the scissors. Here is the background of the other one. And here's the second background of the second one. Here's the mode control for the second car. Here's the antenna for the car.
Yeah.
I got a small collection of real life cars, but they're not really toy cars that I want to play in my lifetime. Nice silver wheel on that orange car. Okay. The batteries are already in. See? Dad, can I have that open, please? Can I have that? Here, you see the batteries are already here. You see it? I pressed it and it went. And it go. I flipped that thing with my foot and the car went. You see, because I put the batteries in. When the batteries get rusty, you have to replace more. Since if you don't have any more AA batteries in for these, you have to get some more, like at the store. Here are both of the cars. It looks like they both have batteries in them, but the remote control doesn't. The remote control does have batteries inside. So let's get both of them and get going. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Crash. How do they go back? So you can have fun playing with these races. Then this one, the orange one doesn't go. Since it doesn't, I think it has old rust batteries. Okay, here it goes. Nope. Okay. Still want to. Wow! How did you do that?
There's an on-off switch on the controller, honey. There's an on-off switch on the controller for the orange guy. Oh, look at, he's got headlights. Let's bring him back here. Let's have a race, and then we'll end the video.
So we can have fun having a race with these.
We'll bring the other one back here. Bring them both back to the starting line, huh? And we'll have a race, and then that's going to be the end of our video.
Almost crashed.
Okay.
Then drive the orange one back.
No, just bring it back, hon. Just bring it back. Thank you. Okay, you gotta count.
Get both controllers ready.
Okay.
Steady. Get both controllers. Ready, steady, go. And there's green. Nope. Doesn't turn. Okay. Turn this one too.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Okay. Now fun with your best lap time.
Hun,
I wanna finish the race and the
hun, time is up.
so you can have fun with your best lap time. You can have fun with your best lap time if you have these. The price. What were the price time?
$9.99 and $10.99.